All right, guys, we've got a special one here for you today. We're at the Western Pennsylvania Model Railroad Museum. I'm here with my longtime friend Dave, and we're going to take a look around this place. All right, so here's the outside of this place. It's been here for quite a while. Here's a picture of the sign with the actual hours, so that'll give you more of an idea. You used to work on this railroad stuff. Why don't you show me how this switch changer works?
Yeah, the old days working at the rail center. Getting out in this kind of weather and doing this.
Hey, it still works.
Yeah, look at that.
Wow, good. You still remember how to do it. All right. There's the old New York Central sign. The entrance to the train room looks like a lot of black and white history photos. Wow. How you doing, buddy? Yeah. And here's an amazing view of downtown Pittsburgh. We've got the incline, the P&L Railroad Station, the old Wabash Bridge, which was before my time, and the Smithfield Street Bridge. Amazing work. The guy that built this really knew what he was doing. Hey, did you ever hear of Nefco coffee? Yeah, I never did either.
I never met a cup of coffee I didn't like.
Is that the truth? It's a lot of Mon Valley system cars. Yeah, the Railroad Museum is about 35 minutes north in Gibsonia off of 910 East. Check it out. You'll really like it. Yeah, Liberty Bridge. Spent a lot of hours sitting in traffic on that bridge. Here comes a Bud car. Downtown Keysport. Here's Ohio, famous PA landmark. And yeah, this train club, the guys started in 1938, and this building here is 1986. And I understand they're going to be adding on soon. So yeah, it's amazing. HO scale, beautiful craftsmanship, beautiful work, quite large. And the detail is incredible.
We're going to come back.
Well, we got some welders going on in there in that machine shop. A lot of bridges. I know you're in PA when you see this many bridges. Well, you can make a movie here. Now we got a train coming out in the distance there. There he comes. What do you think, Dave?
Oh, that's pretty neat. I just took a quick video straight through, you know. But you see the control?
Here we got a beautiful old farm way out in the middle of nowhere.
Covered a lot of ground, it looks like.
Yeah. Oh, here comes one.
Oh, that was already.
Oh, this is a heavy freight coming, guys. We got some serious tonnage. You have to tell me in the comments which guy is this. I'm not up on all the Thomas stuff. Oh, it looks like he's trying to keep the schedule. Looks like we're on a drone or a helicopter here flying over the Pennsylvania countryside. What a beautiful farm. Well, it looks like you could walk right into that picture.
You enough film?
Now, this is what my grandson's supposed to be shooting photos.
Here's the control center for the whole railroad. You got about $4,000 or $5,000 computer program to run it.
And start over.
And they even got the old pot-belly stove like you'd see in a real railroad tower, control center. You got the old and the new.
Fire, and there's actually just smoke.
Yeah.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Here we got a train coming.
Look at this brown house, right here. Look at the fork. Look at the train.
Whoa, we got 3 trains here. There's one in the background. Check out the hobos campfire down by the river. Later they'd be in a van down by the river. Pinch point when
You
we
don't want to be in the middle of the track when they cross like that.
Yeah, it'll be a bad day for you.
Yes.
Well, guys, I think this will end it here for us. It's been a fun day here. We're going to go around again. Yeah, this is downstairs. They have a lot of layouts for the kids. A collection of railroad memorabilia. Oh, look at that. It actually worked. I got that light in my basement.
That one's hanging there.
A little gift shop.
Did you guys find the cat? Did you guys find the cat?
I finally did. The white cat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have to go back a little to find it, which I thought was kind of funny.
Yeah.
Okay, they even have a train on the ceiling. We got slippage, more sand. More sand. An hour later, the parking lot's full, and we had a great time. We went around two and a half times, checked out all the shops. What do you think, Dave?
Excellent road trip.
Yeah, cool. Definitely come here.
Let's change this way.
Okay,
All right.
you did it.